Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cynthia Nuraini. I'm from class C and my NPM number is 23 21 22 and 109. In this video, I would like to discuss about phonetics and phonology. So, what is phonetics and phonology? Phonetics is a science that deals with the sound of human language. It is normally divided into three sub-branches, namely acoustic phonetics, auditory phonetics, and articulatory phonetics. The first one is acoustic phonetics. Acoustic phonetics deals with the study of the physical properties of sound in the form of sound waves that result the production of the sound. And the second is auditory phonetics. Auditory phonetics deal with how sounds are perceived by our brains. As stated, when one speaks, the sound that he produces creates sound waves. And the third is articulatory phonetics. Articulatory phonetics is also deals with the sound of language, but it focuses on how the sounds are produced. The focus on sound production necessarily means that this branch of phonetics must handle the speech mechanism that is involved in sound production. And then is phonology. Phonology is also different from phonetics in that the focus on the study is different. Is even phonetics we deal with the formation, production, and perception of sound. And in phonology, we talk about how the sounds are realized and arranged when used in actual speech. As an example, the vowel is gone is phonetically speaking an oral sound. From the point of view of phonology, however, the sound is nasalized, that is, it picks up the nasal picture, focuses on way in which sound function in a particular language, including how they interact and affect meaning. Phonology concerned with phonemes' distinctive features and the phonological rules that govern the distribution and behavior of sound within a language. In essence, it explores the systematic and rule-governed aspect of sound pattern in language. The next is about phonemics. In phonemics, we study sound in order to determine whether certain sounds are in contrast with certain other sounds which bring about different meaning or not. The focus of phonemics is phonemics analyze how sounds function constructively in a language and how substitution of one phoneme for another can result in different words or meanings. And the importance of phonemics is phonemics help linguists and language learners to identify and differentiate between the essential speech sounds and they are crucial for understanding and speaking a language accurately. And the next is about sound and letters. Sounds are not letter. A sound, however, may be represented graphically by letter, but a sound isn't synonymous with a letter. The noise that humans produce when communicating with another human is a sound is different from the sound that animal produce. I'm sorry for that. We shouldn't confuse sound with letter, or more technically letter, phoneme with graphemes. Sound are distinct entities in the realm of language, while a sound can be graphically represented by letter. It is essential to understand that a sound is not synonymous with a letter. The noise humans produce when communicating with each other constitutes sound, and the sounds are different from the sound produced by animals. It is crucial not to confuse sound with letter, or more technically, not to confuse phonemes with graphemes. This distinct This distinction highlights the complexity and richness of language as a system of communication, where spoken sound and written symbols serve unique but interconnected roles. So, the conclusion is this chapter lays the foundation for understanding how speech sounds are produced, organized, and represented in English, and is essential for language learner and linguist enthusiasts. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.